Loko yena kaluta amesava yochina avaneka ya korola shilova chantement beauté vitozake yana fumela tome afana ne shilova ambelo ya Capybars.
Here we are submitting ourselves to physical pain, mental anguish, and spiritual sacrifice. A week before the big race, we're just doing a taper run back here in Balagbag. Yeah, we liked it so much because we haven't been here in a long time. Last time was a race, now it's more of a social run. An easy one, easy 20 km. Here's Kervin, he's back. And here goes, beautiful day. Make sure it doesn't get crushed. So if you see a snail on the trail, pick it up and put it away. Almost at the finish line. We haven't been making videos in a while, but we have been running. We're just doing some training and not much videoing. But now we're back just to making this video just to tell everyone we're still alive, we're still okay. Remind everyone that we're still here, we're still motivated, we're still excited to run. It's just once in a while it's healthy to have a short break from maybe running or making videos. It's a healthy break, healthy short break. Don't worry, we're still gonna make videos. At least I know 5 of you do watch our videos. We thank you for that, 5 people. It's a small community, but we're thankful. We're thankful for those people who we actually meet in person, and it humbles us. Thank you everyone, and cheers. See you next week at CMU. Yes.